Let's introduce our Red All-Stars along with their high school coaches. From Wiley High School, Katelyn Belch. Their coach, Katelyn. Ladies and gentlemen, at this time we are pleased to present the 22nd Annual MT Rice Memorial Most Valuable Player of the Game Award. Presenting the trophy to the Most Valuable Player is our President of the TGCA, Boyd Morgan from Rogers High School. Tonight's MVP on the victorious Red All-Stars is 3 for 4, 2 runs scored. From Wiley High School, Katelyn Belch. Texas Girls Coaches Association would like to thank you for your attendance to tonight's All-Star game. We'd also like to thank and congratulate these young ladies for their success so far and wish them continued success in their careers. We'd also like to thank all the coaches, teachers, administrators, fans, and families for the support that you've given these ladies in our high school programs through their careers. This concludes the 5A 6A All-Star activities for the summer. Thanks again. We hope to see you in Austin in 2017.